Hello students, welcome to Tagore Academy Public School. Today we will discuss chapter 15, Time. It is part 1 of chapter 15. Till now we have learned to read time from a clock and a conversion of days into hours and hours into minutes. We shall now extend these ideas further. What is the 12-hour clock? The 12-hour clock is most commonly represented on an analog clock with the numbers 1 to 12. When shown on a digital clock, it is usually accompanied by AM ante-meridian, Latin 4 before midday, or PM post-meridian, Latin 4 after midday. We normally use the 12-hour clock to measure time. However, air services, railways, shipping lines, defense forces, and television networks throughout the world use the 24-hour clock. So, what is the 24-hour clock? The 24-hour clock is more often used on digital clocks and is written in a 4-digit form, with the first 2 digits representing the hours and the last 2 representing the minutes. There is no need for AM or PM as each time represents each hour in a 24-hour day. For example, 0300 third hour of the day and 3 AM. 1400 equal to 14th hour of the day or 2 PM. 1830 30 minutes past the 18th hours of the day or 6:30 PM. Look at this clock. A 24-hour clock dial may be visualized as shown here. How to convert from a 12-hour clock to a 24-hour clock? To convert from a 12-hour clock to a 24-hour clock, children may be taught to add 12 to the hours after midday. Listen very carefully. After midday, we will add 12. Example, 3 p.m. becomes 15:00 because 3 plus 12 equal to 15. Now look at this chart, 12-hour clock and 24-hour clock. Example 4, the time is 1 a.m. in 12-hour clock time. So we will write 24-hour clock time 0100. 2 a.m. 0200, 3 a.m. 0300, 4 a.m. 0400, 5 a.m. 0500, 6 a.m. 0600, 7 a.m. 0700, 8 a.m. 0800, 9 a.m. 0900, 10 a.m. 1000, 11 a.m. 1100, 12 p.m. 1200. So there is no change till 12 p.m. After 12 p.m., 1 p.m. the time will be in 24-hour clock time is 1300, 1300. 2 p.m. 1400, 3 p.m. 1500, 4 p.m. 1600, 5 p.m. 1700, 6 p.m. 1800, 7 p.m. 1900, 8 p.m. 2000, 9 p.m. 2100, 10 p.m. 2200, 11 p.m. 2300, 12 a.m. 0000. Time from midnight 00 hours to 1200 noon. If the number formed by the first 2 digits form the left of a 24-hour clock time is less than 12, then it denotes the number of hours before noon, so AM is to be used with it. Now look at this example. 12 midnight, it is a 12-hour clock time. When we have to convert it into 24-hour clock time, the time will be 4 times 0 hours or 2400 hours. 0:10 a.m. 00:10 hours. 0:59 a.m. 00:59 hours. 1 a.m. 01:00 hours. 2 a.m. 02:00 hours. 5:30 a.m. 05:30 hours. 11:15 a.m. 11:15 hours. 12 noon 1200 hours. 12:01 12:01 hours. 12:59 p.m. 12:59 hours. 1 p.m. will be 1300 hours because it is after midday, and 1 p.m. we will add 12 to 1, then we get 13. So the time in 24-hour clock time is 1300 hours. 2 p.m. 1400 hours. 5:20 p.m. 12 plus 5 17:20 hours. 9:45 p.m. 12 plus 9 21:45 hours. 11:30 p.m. 12 plus 11 23:30 hours. 11:59 p.m. 12 plus 11 23:59 hours. 12 midnight 2400 hours. Remember, we will add 12 to hours. There will be no change in minutes. Okay, example for 5:20 p.m. we will add in hour 12. 12 plus 5 17, and there will be no change in 20, so we will write 17:20 hours. 9:45 12 plus 9 21, and there will be no change in 45 21:45 hours. 12 plus 11 23 23:30 hours. 12 plus 11 23 23:59 hours. Hope you understand the concept of 12 hours and 24-hour clock time. Thank you and have a nice time.